Hello friends, my name is Radhika Shah, representing my company RV Insurance Brokers Private Limited, and I am the CEO, Director and Founder of this company. I have been doing this business since 2006, and I have gained experience from a couple of insurance companies called New India, IFCO Tokyo, where I was previously working there as a business development manager. I gained a lot of experience from both the companies, and after which me and my father, we started our own insurance broking firm. I know that COVID has been a very bad phase for each and every one of us, but COVID in the terms of business perspectives from insurance is a boon to this industry. I would say this because there are a lot of people who are not aware of what insurance is exactly about, and that's the reason because of COVID, people have realized that our own health is also one of the biggest assets which we need to take care of, and that's the reason where people are now approaching us for different kinds of insurance, health insurance, their asset insurance, etc. So yes, for insurance industry perspective, definitely COVID is a really big boon, because of which the insurance industry has been coping up really nice. I have received a couple of awards known as from a Future Summit a Women Entrepreneur Award. Then I have also, my company has received the most top 10 influential insurance broking house in India. Then I have also received a couple of International Business Networking Awards as well. From a business point of view, my growth plan from now onwards to the next 10 years, I want to become a private investor. It is not only per se to insurance industry, but definitely for my future, I want to expand into another field of industries as well. And insurance is just a start for me. And I definitely feel that I have the capacity and capability of getting into the different kinds of industry, may it be an entertainment industry or may it be a textile industry, etc. In essentials for my industry, the insurance industry right now is the IT support, which is extremely important. Secondly, we also now look at evolving the insurance industry. The reason I say this, because every day insurance language is changing, insurance products are changing, and with that change, that's because of the innovation and the after sales service which we look at the insurance industry. That is where the people will have a lot of faith in the insurance industry, where they can get their products, get their customized products the way they want it, because ultimately the customers are the king for us. And according to them, if we customize each and every product, that is very important. Now insurance industry is no more standardized selling of standardized products. It is all about innovation, all about after sales service. How do you customize those products for your own customers? So that is where I look that insurance industry is evolving every day. I would like to say that I never say no to any kind of business. So that is one big mantra where I would like to expand into different industries as well. Thank you so much to the World of Recognition for giving me this token of appreciation and giving me a lot of importance on this and making me a part of your magazine. Thank you so much.